CRCL stock analysis and CRCL stock prediction. So in this quick short 1-minute video, what I'll be breaking down is my exact play. And moving forward, yeah, this is not me randomly buying here or anything. It's just more so I'm going to be sticking to my strategy that I've already refined over 45,000 videos. So how things are looking like is pretty juicy if you ask me. It's just that they're going to be even more juicier if I see a full candle close about 145.16 and then onwards, right? Like me randomly buying here is simply not going to happen. That's bottom line there. I also do have this 52 receipts in the Discord, you know what I mean? That's crazy amount, but the only thing that will matter is the confirmation. Other than that, everything else is pure noise. So that's CRCL. I mean, I'm also focused on other ticker symbols that I already have my rules met instead of just trying to assume stuff and then trying to guess, you know, the shift. Because 8.5 times out of 10, you're going to be wrong. How do I know this? Well, maybe because I have the data that I've collected on my own. If you want to get free sauce, click the first link in the description. See you in the next one. Bye-bye.